Bye.
KFC right now. I don't even know what I'm gonna get just yet. I'm wondering if I should get like zinger. I had a zinger the other day. Guys, it was delicious. Best I've ever had in a minute. I have not actually. I ate KFC 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago, and that was the first time I ate KFC in like, no joke, a year. As I was saying. So the last time I had KFC separate from 3 weeks ago was actually a year ago. I've not had KFC in that long. And the reason why I haven't had KFC that long is because KFC line always full. Like, KFC line is no joke, low-key depressing. Like, the food nice and the food delicious, but the line just turned me off. And I mean, I can't do it like other people. I cannot be waiting 1 freaking hour, 2 hours to get food. That is ridiculous. I'm not doing that, guys. Oh my god. Yo, hold on. This is the drive-thru. This is KFC's drive-thru. Look on the line. Security just told me that this gentleman behind me is actually in front of me and I skipped him. So I'm not very excited to hear that, but I'm just there. I'm going to order some food. You have any zinger?
Yeah.
We can get a barbecue zinger, please, the combo.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Only one zinger.
Guys, I just want you to know that we're so close to my dream neighborhood. Like, ever since I was young, I'm always on the hill. No matter which side of the hill, I could have Norbrook side, or up at Cherry Garden side, or up at Queens Hill side, or I just want to house my hill. Sorry about grandma's head. Okay, so I got my food. By the way, my hands are clean. Okay, so I got the pin. This is the color. This is the brand, Easy Care, very good brand. I also got some electrical outlets not because the ones that are there are bad, but you know, the aesthetics, it's all about that. But yeah, that's all like that. The contractor that's working at my house, he's a friend of my mom's. I've known him since I was a child, right? So he's the one who is, you know, doing all the work that I need to get done on the house, and he is searching for a house to buy. Someone that he knows that lives in the States with him, because he lives in the States. He's just here vacationing and doing work. He actually is going to purchase a house from that person. The person is selling the house for 14 million. Can you believe it? 14 million. What a man lucky. A 4-bedroom for 14 million in Kingston. Unbelievable, right? So he's getting that to purchase. I'm not sure as to how many bathrooms, or if it's 2 sections. It seems as if it's 2 sections to me, because I glimpsed the outside of the house yesterday. But as I said, we got there late. He didn't get a chance to go in and view it. But if I do go there today with him, because I made to drop him there yesterday, I will definitely show it to you guys, so you can see what it looks like, but it's decent, you know. And I mean 14 million is definitely a steal. Okay, so I got my water, the big one, and my snorkel. So now I'm gonna go back to the house and basically just wait for them to arrive. Yeah. Let me set up this camera here. I plan to do a natural hair tutorial, right? To show you guys, you know, like my routine in transitioning, my transitioning hair wash day routine or something like that. But guys, I've been busy. I don't know when I do that. Trust me. I'm just here parked up, about to have my sandwich. Let me turn the car off. And I'm just waiting on them to arrive. They're not here as yet. So this is me. I made an egg sandwich. 3 bread, yes, McGreedy. McGreedy. Don't judge me. And the bread is so soft. The bread is so freaking soft. This is my sandwich. I love egg and plant sandwich. The cheese, I never have no cheese this morning, but typically I have cheese. It's delicious. It is now 8:24. I'm calling the money out so much back in there. Morning.
Alright.
Guys, I'm gonna have a little joke. So the same contractor I'm talking about. Bring him girlfriend at the house because him say, you know what? Him work, the place nasty up, and him gonna make she clean the place, right? And he was introducing me to her, and the man called her the wrong name. Yeah, the girl named Simone, and him called her must be Sophia. Sophia. And I'm like, how are you with someone who don't even know your name? Are you stay with him? Like, that's weird. And him just laugh it off, and she was just like okay with it. So I'll catch you guys later to see what's, you know, going on and such. Okay guys, so I'm heading to package for you. I'm almost there to pick up my package. Plaza and I don't see any parking. I don't know. I'm gonna hitch my car right here, so alright, so I'm about to head up to collect my package. I'll show you guys when I get back what it is. Okay, so I got the package. Here it is. This is what it looks like. I can smell it. It's very strong. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be using to finish one of the bathtubs. It's supposed to work spendaciously, if that's a word, which it's not, but I'm gonna try it out and see how it goes. Definitely it's very affordable. I think it was like $34 I paid for this, but yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So I'm actually on my way to work today. Yes, I'm on my way to work. So far I feel a little tired. I'm not gonna say a whole lot. A little tired, and I feel hungry. I'm not even sure what I'm gonna get for breakfast, but I'm gonna get that at work. I didn't make anything this morning. Yesterday I had my little egg sandwich and chilled with you guys for a bit. I don't even know how long this vlog is gonna be. I hope it's not too long. I really hope it's not too long. But yeah, I want to start making longer content though. But in the event that this is too long, I may do like 2 parts. I'm not sure. Yeah, but right now I'm just basically, in traffic. Traveling to work on this great Friday morning. But yeah, this is just me. Is that drunk right now? Suppose me never there look. Seriously? I was saying, so how are you guys doing? How are you feeling today? Update read the house. They've not yet finished everything, but as I said, just some small things that are left, like touching out the roof with the white, finishing the doors, finishing the tub, going over the outside, just making some finishes in terms of the color on the outside, doing the roof on the outside, at the front of the half side of the house. So those things are left to be done, but I don't think it should take longer than by Monday, and I think it can be done they can be finished by tomorrow. They can complete everything by tomorrow. It just all depends on how fast they work. My older brother, he's supposed to be stopping by today to help me out with the backyard. That is pre-landscaping, because I did mention, well, I'm not sure if I mentioned, but the backyard will be professionally landscaped. It just won't be right now. So in the time being, I'm trying to get everything sorted out. So that's why yesterday I spent the day cleaning out my so-called storage room. I went on the roof, I took off everything that was up there, and I only really put back what I know I'm gonna need, like the drainage system that we have at the back of the house. I know we're gonna need that. We had a length that was left. I found some pipe, and there is like a picking stick on there, but besides that, I literally took everything down. And then now I cleaned out the inside, so I had sand and gravel in there. I took them out. I packed those in like a crocus bag, kind of bag, like, just to ensure that I am saving it, because I know that we're gonna need it one way or another for something eventually in the future. Maybe not right now, but I like to save things for the future, not just like for now. That's one of the things that I found about myself, that I like to hold on to things because I'm saying, okay, I know this is going to be useful sometime in the future. So that's what I did yesterday. So my brother, as I was saying, is supposed to come today. He's supposed to come today to dig down, because I did pay somebody the other day to clean up the backyard, but they didn't do it properly. So we still have some little small like packs of dirt on like mini hills, or you would call it, like humps. So he's gonna dig all of those down and just level everything off for me today. and I'm gonna see if I can leave work early. Definitely, if I'm gonna leave early, I will let you guys know, you know, vlog you guys, probably show you guys a little bit in my office, give you a little tour. It's not much. We just moved into that office. Well, not just, we moved in there like 4 months ago or 3 months, I'm not sure, but we still haven't gotten everything that we're supposed to get in the office. We haven't got our blinds, we haven't got our printers yet. We wanted the space to be painted, that has not been done as yet, so just a few things.
You said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile